Hi everyone, it's Troy here in the studio. This is the back of a painting that was painted approximately 1850. It's a French painting. It's a portrait of a woman. I can't really show you the whole thing, but you can see the painting is on the back side of this. This painting was relined, I would estimate, about 80 years ago, maybe 100 years ago. Relining meaning that the painting had become old at that point, the canvas had gotten very brittle, and the canvas that the paint was sitting on was no longer stable enough to support the painting correctly. So we do a process called relining, which is where we take that painting and canvas and we adhere it onto a new canvas. Well, this was done at a time when the types of glues that were used were water soluble and they tended to dry out over time. So when I began to work on this painting, I noticed that the lining was starting to fail and the painting was going to need to be relined again. But in order to do that, I need to remove the painting from the relining, which is what I've done here. Now, I've already done the separation, as you can see. I just have the old lining sitting on top of the painting right now. So I'm just going to remove this out of the way so that you can see the back of the painting. Before I can reline it, you can see all this dark area. This is all, the canvas is discolored, but you can see on here that there is a layer of old dried out adhesive. And that adhesive needs to be removed. And the only way to remove it is with a good old medical scalpel and scraping. So right now it is time for me to scrape to remove the layer before I can reline the painting again. Now I will get back to you once I have it all scraped so that you can see, and I'll show you also kind of what the relining process is all about. This is kind of a tedious yet satisfying process, but as you can see, I have quite a bit of scraping to do. And of course, the trick to good scraping is to never scrape through the back side of the painting and go through the painting. So I'm going to focus on scraping successfully, and I will get back to you on the other side. Talk to you later.